So hi all, it's been a while, and this is the Android LCD. Remember, this is the digitizer that I suspect not working, but I'm not sure. And I got the new one, and I was pretty amazed because it looks exactly the same. It can't be that I ordered something from AliExpress. I don't remember how I ordered it, but you can see that the size is perfectly matched. There is a sticker all over the side, and also the chip is the same, looks the same, and the connector looks the same. So yeah, what I've got to lose, and I'm pretty curious to know if it will work. I have to admit, I have no clue, and I don't remember how it should be on this LCD. I mean, which side and how to connect it. I really don't know, but I will have to do some try and error. So gently removing this sticker. I will not connect it yet. I will do just a test first before doing any glue of this part, and I will have to connect the main board that I also don't remember where it goes. I don't remember in terms of the polarity of this digitizer. The polarity, I mean, if it should be this way or the other side. So I will have to give a try, because it can be or this way or it can be the other way, yeah, or it can be this way. I don't remember, and I'm not sure. So let's do a try. There is a screw here, not good. It can do a short. I don't want these screws to be here at this point. And I also, what I remember, I can't, yeah, it's pretty simple. I'm just thinking what is the best way to do it. If to connect everything that I don't remember how, to try to do the connection now. Okay. So this part is here for sure. Okay, so the LCD probably goes like this in the frame, and the digitizer should go to this side, because this is the only area that I can put its cables. So it should be something like this, because there is no other way to move its cable to the other side. So it should be something like this. Now this part, I need to it should be like this. So now what I should do is try to connect all the cables and see if this will work. This cable has a polarity, so you can't mess with it. Yeah, but it should be connected to this way, and yeah, so this is not a problem. This cable is a problem. I think I remove it from here. Very gently try not to break it. And this one should be connected the opposite way, which means, yeah, means I think it should be connected like this. Yeah, need to lift this part. I think it's in. And now we have the digitizer. It should be connected here. Also should lift this up. Okay. I think I've connected everything. And now is the big test. Wow, do you think it will work? I doubt. So many things need to happen in order that this will work. So I should connect this one. This one we connected. I don't remember also. No, it doesn't fit. So I think just this one. And now, now I remember the power. Let's power it up and then check. Okay. Okay. If this will work. Let's see. It's power up. I hope you remember the problem was the touch screen didn't work. If this is working, I have to admit I will be pretty amazed. Go on Android, go on. We are curious. Okay, still powering up. Go up, what's going on with you guys? Android, understood. Nothing. So no change unless I connected the cable in the opposite direction. This is the only chance that I done a mistake in the polarity of this cable. So don't give up, not so quickly, and I will try to change the polarity of the cable and then we'll see. Okay, I did power it off. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. As I said, maybe the problem is not the digitizer at all, and I just thought, and you know, this is a try, just a try. Yeah, what did I see now? Do you see? It is working, but it is flipped. Yeah, you see? You see, it is working. I don't believe. So I just need to flip it and then I will be okay. So let's try it. Okay, I flipped everything. I had to flip not the digitizer but the LCD, because the digitizer has a specific place under the plastic to enter. So everything is now flipped, and now let's see. I think that this should be the correct way, but this is just a guess, and I took a picture of all the cables in order to connect it in the correct way. Whoa, I'm curious. If I fixed it, then yeah, you decide if I'm good or perfect. I did not touch anything, but maybe I need to calibrate it. You see, it is working, but this is actually working. No, I'm not touching anything. Why it is changing? Maybe it is doing a search, but anyway, it is working. Maybe I need to calibrate now the LCD itself, but actually it is working. So I will do a calibration and then try to maybe glue it and see if it is correct, and then go back. Okay, so at the end I found on the internet, push all your finger and then you can calibrate the LCD, and now it is working. Unbelievable. Do you see? So actually the problem was everything is perfectly working, and the problem was the touch screen itself. Now I'm not sure that the orientation that I flip the LCD is now the correct one, but I think that this is also can be changed in the car. You can flip it with the menu, so it's not really important. So yeah, everything is working. Okay, let's do one last test after everything is closed. I remind you that the digitizer has these 3M tapes that you have to remove from around all this area, and then you should attach it to the LCD itself. Wow, it was quite amazing to do this. First time in my life that I'm doing it. There is always first time. Now we'll power it on one last time to see that it is working. So yeah, I'll put it in my orientation. Okay. It is flipped now. Okay, no problem. Bluetooth navigation. You see, everything is working perfectly. Unbelievable. Car settings. Wow, amazing, amazing. So you can fix it yourself at home, no issue and no problem. If I can do it, so anyone can do it. Okay, that's all. Thank you and bye.